Welcome to the newest creation from First Tech, Drone Mobile, the future of aftermarket security and convenience. Remote start, lock, unlock, and more. Locate vehicle in real time with GPS. Receive vital alarm alerts via push with unlimited range. Compatible with all vehicles, and service starting at less than $2.50 per month with your first year free. Lock your vehicle with the touch of a button and receive confirmation indicated by the flashing green light. Starting your vehicle is just as easy. Simply touch the engine start-stop, and when the vehicle has started, the flashing green light will appear. Drone is also equipped to handle 2 auxiliaries. Use these to roll up or down your windows, control your sliding doors, even drop the top on your convertible. The possibilities are endless. If any alerts are triggered, have peace of mind knowing that you will be notified directly on your smartphone, and in some cases, an audible alarm to be notified of possible theft. All alerts will have the date, timestamp, and the name of the vehicle that the alert was triggered for. Simply touch the alert for more details, or slide your finger across the alert to delete it from the list. Forgot where you parked? Are your kids not home yet? Worse yet, your car is not where you left it. Not to worry, Drone is equipped with GPS. Now easily locate your vehicle on a map. With just one touch, pull up a detailed status report of your vehicle. And at a glance, know whether or not your vehicle is armed, the engine is running, the doors are open, and even the temperature inside the vehicle. Touch the car icon to bring you to the vehicle's current location. Touch the phone icon to bring you to your current location. Need directions to where your car is? Well, it's just 2 taps away. Use this tab to manage your login, notification settings, and preference settings. Notification setting is where you can adjust what alerts you would like to be notified about. Simply slide to the right or left to set your alert notifications on or off. Use the preference settings to adjust how you interact with the home screen. My Vehicles is where you can easily switch to different cars equipped with Drone Mobile. Passcode lock requires you to enter a 4-digit code to open the Drone Mobile app, because this is about security after all. Don't have an iPhone or other compatible smartphone? Not to worry, you can access your vehicle from any mobile browser or web. Everything you can access on your smartphone, you can access at www.dronemobile.com. All the same features in an easy-to-use format. Purchase your drone as a standalone unit or pair it with a First Tech CompuStar product to get the most from your drone. All this for just $349.99. And to get you started, we've included 1 year free basic service.